Here's Danny. What's up, Danny boy? So, surprisingly, Danny the finger-eating fish is not the come here, Danny, come on, Danny. Danny doesn't want to be pet today. Oh yes, who's a good Danny? So yeah, Danny the friendly tilapia is not our focus today, because our focus, even though everything else in the bed is a little bit sparse, the great thing is, boom! Look at that. That is a come on, focus. Just get up closer to there. That is a huge papaya tree. You just see exactly how big that is, and that is some big papayas right there. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. This one's starting to ripen up nicely now. So our plan is to take it down so that none of the birds get onto it, and ripen it. Ripen it on the table, then eat it. This one's not ripe yet, and that one's not. These ones are still growing, and that's doing still good. So that's really good. That's like that's how tall I am, and I'm 5'6" tall. So from the bottom there to over here, it's 5'6". There's a good couple of feet above that. That's a tall tree, all growing in our teeny tiny little 12-inch deep grow bed. Let's get down from there with a hop. Whoa. And yeah, if you all want to see what develops with these papayas and how they tasted, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, so that it's all right down over there. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and have a lovely day. Okay, bye. Whoa.